How to fix Xbox Series X not loading anything. 1. Restart your console. 2. Use a wired connection. 3. Ensure you're using the proper or right MS or Xbox account. 4. Clear console cache. Path, Xbox button profile and system settings devices and connections Blu-ray persistent storage. 5. Delete and re-add your account. Path, Xbox button profile and system settings account. 6. Update your Xbox console. 7. Other tips. Your console for a while. Contact the third-party Xbox seller or the official Xbox support.